Hey mortgage brokers, how's it going? Today I want to talk to you about Velocity's workflows, also known as our active CRM. Think of workflows like having a built-in personal assistant who is always keeping you on track and making you more efficient. Imagine this personal assistant is constantly scanning your contacts and your applications and alerting you if you have a new lead, if a lender has approved an application, if a closing date is coming up. Not only that, but they are adding every reach out opportunity into your calendar to keep you on track. Think of how many chances you have to wow your customers by working this way and your referring partners. Let me show you some examples. I like to reach out and call my clients as soon as they are approved. I've got my script, their phone numbers, and access to the deal if I want to get into the details. Here I have a prepackaged text message ready to invite my clients to give me a 5-star Google review. My assistants use workflows to auto-assign next steps, like introducing the colleague who will be collecting conditions. You decide what your perfect process looks like, and it's really easy to set it up. Go under Me and Workflows, click the green button called Add Workflow. Give your workflow a title. Decide what triggers this task. Do you want to be reminded before or after the trigger and how many days later? Decide if this is for a specific application type or a specific application purpose. And who gets assigned this task? The agent on the file, the assistant, both the agent and the assistant, or someone completely separate? Here is where you will add your script of what you'd like to say every time this task comes up. You will be able to customize this on a case-by-case basis. Using the insert templates allows your prepackaged content to pre-fill with the client's first name, the closing date of the mortgage. If helpful, you can also add attachments. That means that my final reminder 20 days before closing could have an attachment for a brochure for a moving company. Click the Active button and click the Add button to save. Your workflow has now been activated. You never have to think about it ever again. From now on, every time a deal is 20 days away from closing, you're going to have a reminder to send that client a prepackaged email. If you end up creating quite a few workflows like I have here, it might help to add different stages simply for sorting out your workflow page. Stages are completely optional and they help you keep the workflow page organized. Let's see how this is going to play out when the reminder comes up. The final reminder before we close pops up automatically 20 days before any deal closes. I can do a last-minute check before I send it out, and if I'm ready to go, I can simply click Send. If I prefer, I can go in and I can postpone until tomorrow or a different day. I can reassign this task to someone else, or I can click the Edit button if I want to add anything else into my prepackaged text. I can add a quick little message in here, and then when I'm ready to go, I can click Send. We do have a video specific to My Day if you're interested in seeing a little bit more about the most efficient way to use this screen. I hope that you're going to like using our active CRM to stay on top of every single moment that you can wow your clients. And thanks for choosing Velocity. Have a good day.